There's quite an active hurricane season this year on the other side of the Atlantic, and quite a lot of these hurricane remnants make their way over to us. Hurricanes always form off the coast of Cape Verde, which is sort of about some islands off the coast of West Africa, and then they travel across the Atlantic Ocean to kind of the Caribbean, and then travel up the east coast of North America, where they gradually they either hit the land and cause lots of widespread flooding and damage, or they sort of travel across the sea and then they stop being hurricanes and turn into kind of large areas of low pressure, and then they make their way over to us. So at the moment there's two sort of very, very close together hurricanes called Imelda and Humberto, which are sort of quite close to Florida at the moment, and about 600 miles apart from each other. And as they're sort of swirling around each other, a little bit of low pressure will form in front of them, and then sort of gradually these will head towards us. Now tomorrow's Thursday, we're going to get a big bit of low pressure hitting us, and a weather front affecting the whole country as a day ahead of what was expected. But then this bit of low pressure that forms in front of these two kind of merging hurricanes is going to be called Storm Amy, and that's going to hit us on Thursday into Friday through into Sunday, and the low pressure is going to be centralised northwest of Scotland. So from it's going to have the strongest winds and rain. Very, very strong winds along the west of Scotland, northwest of Scotland, Hebrides Islands, Northern Ireland, possibly in excess of 80 miles an hour. Windy everywhere else, but getting decidedly less windy the further south and east you go. And there'll also be a large sort of weather front, a cold front, sort of working its way from northwest to southeast as well. Closely followed by Storm Umberto and Imelda, and it's not totally clear where they're going to go yet, but they could go to the north of Scotland as well, or they could go south. Storm Amy is expected to cross the jet stream path from the south of the jet stream to the north of the jet stream. If it doesn't do that, then it would kind of hit sort of central England somewhere, but it's expected to go north of Scotland. And then after us, it's going to affect Europe quite a bit, particularly kind of the Baltic Sea area. So yeah, a lot of wind and rain coming in the next few days, and so good to be prepared for it now.